when I woke up, I had a craving. So I got up, took a shower, got dressed, and I got distracted. Real distracted. All right, let's focus here. Let's see what's in the kitchen. I guess we're going grocery shopping first. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Buddha. Today we're making homemade buttermilk pancakes. Let's do this. You're gonna need a bowl and a whisk, and of course your ingredients. In a large bowl, you're gonna add 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt. Give that a whisk. In a separate bowl, you're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together, and then you're gonna add your wet to your dry. Give this a gentle mix until everything is nice and combined and homogeneous. Don't overdo it. Trust me. Now, I happen to have some chocolate chips on hand, so I add about 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. I just fold those in nice and gently. Let that sit for a while. And I also happen to have strawberries too, so take some strawberries, cut them up. We're gonna macerate it with some sugar. Get them all nice and sweet. About a tablespoon of sugar will do. Just give that a toss. We're gonna set that to the side while we actually cook the pancakes. All right. So in your griddle or your nonstick pan, get it medium hot. Brush on some vegetable oil, and ladle in your pancake mix. Now you're gonna cook this on about medium low, about 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you start seeing bubbles poke through. Just be patient. Take your time. After those 3 minutes, you're gonna flip it. And then what I like to do, I like to flip it, then throw some butter on top. Let that cook about 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out of the pan, and then rinse and repeat. And then you have pancakes. Finally. Now, you remember those macerated strawberries from earlier? Just take them and put them on the side, or put them on top. Whatever floats your fancy. I don't judge here, and I don't kink shame when it comes to pancakes or food. I promise you these will be the most delicious and scrumptious pancakes that you've ever made. And you will never go back to the box stuff after this. Let me know in the comments down below how you like your pancakes. Do you like them plain? Do you like chocolate chip? Do you like blueberry pancakes? Do you like your fruit on the side? Do you like your pancakes with Nutella, peanut butter? Let me know. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos like this. Well, excuse me, I'm gonna go eat some pancakes now. I deserve it. Thanks for watching. That's gonna kill him, boy. That's gonna kill him.